मेरी एक्चुअली एक कंपनी है इनसाइड जो इस पे हम हमारा जो जिस तरीके से अभी हमने प्लान बनाया है जिस चीज़ों को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे उसमें से ये है कि हम नए एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को बढ़ावा देंगे, स्कॉलरशिप भी देंगे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में जाके। तो हम लोग बहुत एरियाज में कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट दिस एक्चुअली is the best thing that can happen at this point of time, which government itself is doing. So it is, and when I can see that it is just not because I happen to be aligned with everything that is good, but I'm specifically really interested, emotionally invested in this particular idea. So it is just not acknowledging the competence of the initiative itself, but also comprehending it and then using my popularity in order to just democratize it in a way that everybody understands it, and I think that will be a good start. I was so surprised to know that Niti Aayog has already been taking such great initiatives, and one of them is Women WEP, which is so timely because it is just not women would enable or contribute in GDP, but also this is the missing ingredient in most of the services, and the holistic approach is missing, the meaning is missing, the values are missing.
Yeah.
Where I was looking in the science sector or the economic sector or anywhere, I mentioned the word, the missing ingredient, which we study in chaos theory and nonlinear dynamics, where we see that it's much more than if you want to understand a system, we just take out its constituents and parts and we study them and we think that we know it. But we have, all right, it's great approximation, but still we are missing a very important point that happens with emergence and bottom-up emergent structures or non-zero sum systems. So all these things, so number one is to tell people that these things are important differentiators. Number two, enable and also tell them that exponential technologies would kind of disrupt the present economic and political structure, not economic and social structures, and also enable them, because we have time in our hand, also enable them to actually rig the system so that they can benefit themselves and also contribute to the system. So this is win-win situation for all, as long as we acknowledge the importance of the immediacy of it, and acknowledge that this is probably for the first time when the competence is so much there, where all the initiatives Niti Aayog is taking. Comprehension is there because I also happen to understand those things. And number three, we have digital exponential technologies which can actually communicate this information to everywhere at the same time. It has never happened before. A plus B plus C. So it's very timely, it's very, and I'm happy to associate with Transformational India.